To fix your Apple Card APR so high, you need to understand what APR is and how it affects your credit card payments. APR stands for annual percentage rate, and it is the interest rate charged on your Apple Card balance when you do not pay your bill in full each month. The first step to lower your APR is to check your credit score, as it plays a significant role in determining your APR. A good credit score can help you qualify for lower interest rates. You can check your credit score for free on various websites such as Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. Next, make sure you are making on-time payments, as late payments can negatively affect your credit score and increase your APR. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Another way to lower your APR is to pay more than the minimum payment each month. This will help you pay off your principal balance faster and reduce the amount of interest you owe. Try to pay as much as you can afford each month to lower your APR. You can also consider calling Apple Card customer support to request a lower APR. They may be willing to work with you, especially if you have been a loyal customer and have made on-time payments. Be honest and explain your situation, and they may be able to offer you a lower APR. Additionally, consider making a lump sum payment to pay off your balance in full. This will eliminate your APR altogether and save you money in interest payments. It is also important to monitor your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you are using compared to your available credit. Keeping your credit utilization ratio low can help improve your credit score and lower your APR. By following these steps, you can lower your Apple Card APR and save money on interest payments. Remember to always make on-time payments, pay more than the minimum, and monitor your credit utilization ratio to keep your APR as low as possible.